Today, we're making lemon butter chicken. It's a built-in recipe on the ThermoCook. First of all, let's go to the recipe library. Here you have more than 1,000 recipes. I'm gonna search for lemon butter. When you click on the recipe, you've got all the ingredients needed over here. And next you have the steps, and finally the utensils needed for this recipe. So first let me check the ingredients. Whole chicken thighs. Okay, for this recipe I don't have thighs, I have chicken breasts, but it's fine, I'm gonna use them. Garlic cloves, unsalted butter, double cream, Parmesan cheese, salt, juice of 1 lemon, dried thyme, ground black pepper. Everything is ready over here. Let's start cooking. To start with, in the ThermoCook bowl, place 4 garlic cloves and chop for 7 seconds, speed 5. I have 4 garlic cloves over here. Close the lid. And start. Never open the lid before the countdown is done, and you can press confirm and then open the lid. Scrape down the sides. Next, add 25 grams of unsalted butter over the garlic. Let's press on the scales over here and put 25 grams in. So that's 25 grams. Next, cook for 1 minute, 50 degrees Celsius, speed 3. Close the lid. You see the ThermoCook gives you all instructions. And all done. The butter is all melted. Next, in a side bowl, season 6 chicken thighs with 2 teaspoons of paprika, a teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of ground pepper. So I told you I don't have thighs for this one, but I have chicken breasts. I'm gonna season with 2 teaspoons of paprika. You know, you can always have a twist in the recipe. So for this one, I'm gonna add just a little bit of olive oil. And now for the next step. Now add double cream, juice of a lemon, teaspoon dried thyme, and chicken stock paste and water. For the chicken stock paste and water, I diluted the paste inside the water, so I'm gonna add 108 grams. The juice of 1 lemon, 100 grams of double cream, the dried thyme, and the grated Parmesan. And start. So it says 90 degrees for 15 minutes at speed 3. Meanwhile, let's prepare our chicken in the oven tray. And the sauce is all done now. By the way, the smell is incredible. It smells like butter and lemon. Really great smell. Look at that. So I'm gonna put it all over the chicken. Add the baby spinach. And mix with the spatula. And now to the oven. It took around 30-35 minutes in the oven, but the smell is incredible, and I bet it tastes so good. Simply perfect, super delicious. You can serve it with rice or mashed potatoes, for example. It's super good. This is a must-try recipe.